Alright YouTube, got the new gasket in. I ordered this from MA Performance. It was about $15 plus $8 shipping, so it came to like 24, 25, 26 bucks. And this of course was the gasket that was on it. And it was a non-divided gasket, so the exhaust was coming out here and flowing into here and then out my dump tube. I'm going to go ahead and give this a couple coats of copper spray gasket. Show you what I use here. Use that. Put a coat on each side. This is cut from, it looks like a single piece of stainless. It's not like a multi-layer gasket like some exhaust gaskets are, but it should still work out. This one is also a little bit thinner than the factory Mitsubishi gasket, but I figure I shouldn't have any problems with this one. I was reading reviews on it. People said you could reuse these. I'm sure you can. It looks decent quality, stainless according to MAP. I'll get this put on, and this should solve all my exhaust leaks. Let's do it. Oh, too much on there. Let that cure for a minute. So I got it back on, and now I'm just tightening down the bolts. Got the new gasket in, and it's running. Coolant, verified the oil once again. Got all the pipes back on. Let's check to see if we have a leak. No leak. We got it fixed. Makes me happy. She's back down on all fours, gentlemen. Second gear. Third gear. This thing sounds totally different when it spools versus the original turbo. Just sounds way different. Way different sound versus the original turbo. Blow-off valve sounds different too when it pops off. I didn't change anything on that. I don't know if you'll be able to hear the turbo spooling or not. Let's give it a shot. Oh, it's fun. It's definitely a lot laggier though. Not much. Maybe 500 RPM, but it comes in much slower. Well, not much slower, but it comes in more progressive. It's got a more progressive feel to it. The original turbo on this thing, it came on pretty hard. Once it got over about 5 pounds, it just shot up there. This one's a little bit more progressive. So a 3-mile test drive, not bad. Just wanted to break it in, make sure I had no leaks. I'll get out and check that now, but I'm happy with it. I'm glad it's done. And stay tuned for the next video, guys. Thank you.